This video I will explain what is AI agents. Today artificial intelligence can do much more than answer the questions. It can also complete tasks. The technology that makes this possible is called an AI agent. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is an intelligent software program that can understand a goal, make decisions, take actions, complete tasks, check results, and continue working until the task is finished. Instead of waiting for instructions after every step, an AI agent can perform several steps on its own. An AI agent is an intelligent assistant that understands a goal and performs actions to achieve it. What does the word agent mean? An agent is someone who performs work for another person. For example, a travel agent books tickets. A real estate agent helps people to buy houses. An insurance agent helps people to purchase insurance. Similarly, an AI agent performs tasks for you using AI. What is the difference between AI assistant and AI agent? First, we will see AI assistant. An AI assistant mainly answers questions. If you ask what is the capital of Japan, the AI replies Tokyo. The conversation ends. Now we will see AI agent. If you say plan my vacation, the AI agent may search destinations, compare hotels, check flight prices, suggest an itinerary, estimate the total cost. AI agent works until the goal is completed. Now we will see how does an AI agent work. Step 1. Understand the goal. The AI first understands what you want. For example, find the best laptop under 60,000 rupees. Step 2. Make a plan. The AI decides the steps required. It may search products, compare prices, read reviews, and select the best options. Step 3. Perform actions. The AI starts completing the work. Examples include searching information, organizing data, filling forms, sending reminders, and creating reports. Step 4. Check the result. The AI verifies whether the task is completed successfully. If necessary, it continues working. Now we will see the real life example. Personal assistant. Imagine you tell your assistant, book a train ticket. The assistant searches the trains, checks the seat availability, chooses the best train, books the ticket, and sends the confirmation. An AI agent works in a similar way. Next real life example, food delivery. You say order dinner for tonight. The AI agent may find nearby restaurants, compare prices, select suitable food, place the order, and track the delivery. AI agent performs several actions automatically. Next real life example, office work. A manager says, prepare the weekly sales report. The AI agent may collect sales data, calculate totals, create charts, write the report, and share it with the team. This reduces manual work. Next real life example, student. A student says, help me to prepare for tomorrow's exam. The AI agent may create a study plan, find learning materials, prepare practice questions, track progress, and suggest topics for revision. What are the important features of AI agents? First one, goal oriented. The AI agent works toward completing a specific goal. Second one, planning. AI agent divides a large task into smaller steps. Third one, decision making. AI agent decides what should happen next. Fourth one, action. AI agent performs useful tasks instead of only giving answers. Fifth one, autonomy. Autonomy means working independently. The AI can complete many tasks with minimal human guidance. Sixth one, learning. Some AI agents improve their future decisions by learning from the previous results. Where are AI agents used? First one, customer support, answering customer questions and solving problems. Second one, healthcare, scheduling appointments and helping to manage patient information. Third one, banking, helping customers, detecting fraud and monitoring transactions. Fourth one, shopping, comparing products and recommending suitable items. Fifth one, education, creating study plans and personalized learning schedules. Sixth one, software development, writing code, testing applications, and finding programming errors. Seventh one, business automation, preparing reports, managing emails, and organizing daily work. What are the advantages of AI agents? Save time, reduce repetitive work, perform multiple tasks, improve productivity, make faster decisions, work continuously toward a goal. What are the challenges of AI agents? Wrong decisions can happen. Human supervision is sometimes required. Privacy and security must be protected. Complex situations may require human judgment. Now we will see the simple analogy. To helper 1, you say prepare today's meeting. The helper asks questions after every small step. To helper 2, you say prepare today's meeting. The helper creates the agenda, collect documents, send invitations, book the meeting room, and confirms everything is ready. The second helper behaves like an AI agent. Now we will see the difference between AI agent and a chatbot. A chatbot mainly answers questions. An AI agent can understand goals, make plans, perform actions, and complete tasks. You can think of it this way. Chatbot equal to answers, AI agent equal to acts. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.